What's up guys? Today I'm testing the eye and face tracking on the Fuji 18-55 f2.8 to f4. We're at 55 at f4 right now, and so that is the amount of background separation you're going to be able to get, the size of the bokeh. I'm a little bit green. I don't know if it's the blue light in the background. I can turn that off and see if I change more magenta. There's the blue light from the side, dramatic shot. So let's totally turn that off. And then I still look a little green. This is Eterna. I might color grade this, might not. So yeah, let's move the camera a little bit closer and zoom out a little bit. So this is 18mm at f2.8. I think it looked better with the blue light. Let's put this back over here. So that kind of evens out the yellows and the blues. So this lens is really silent. I don't hear any motor noises or anything at all. And I can see the box on my face. It is tracking me from when I'm about 8 inches away to about 2 feet away. So with Fuji lenses, you can't really trust a lot of them. So I like to do a test where I'm just staying completely still and seeing if the background is breathing. And then also moving around and just seeing if the background's breathing. I think this lens is pretty spot on. I mean, this is like Sony autofocus so far. I mean, I haven't seen any problems with the autofocus on this lens. So as far as autofocus goes, I think the 18-55 is the best lens I've tested out so far on the Fuji system. This is the XE4, and I would definitely suggest the 18-55. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.